Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for Psych 5 Social Psychology for Saturday, February 19th. And as I always do, just going to go over a few items, reminders, clarifications, anything I think will help you do better in the course. So let's go ahead and get started here. First of all, your most recent discussion on Chapter 5, the chapter on social attribution, that is due tonight by 9 p.m., so make sure you get it in by that time. You may recall per an announcement earlier this week that I did move it from Friday to Saturday just because the college does observe one of the President's Day's holidays there on Fridays, so I moved it to Saturday, so make sure you take advantage of that extra day and get that in there because it's worth 10 points and it can certainly help your grade. Speaking about President's Day's holidays, don't forget that we have no class next Monday on the 21st. This is per our course calendar, again because of President's Day holiday. So we will meet again the following Monday on the 28th. And as you know, per our last set of lecture day there last Monday, early this week, and also per your class schedule, that we do have our second exam scheduled for that Monday the 28th. So do take advantage of the study guide. You'll find that there at the bottom of Unit 2. Right above where it says a note about the exam there. So, and do pay careful attention to the two areas in the study guide that you'll find italicized with asterisks all around them. That's going to be the content that your short answer essay questions are based upon, just like you saw for the first exam there. So do prepare that material well, so when you get to those essay questions on the exam, you'll be able to just pop in your answers there. Again, the study guide doesn't tell you exactly what the question is, but it tells you what you need to get ready for it. And definitely prepare that so you will do well, because it's easy to do well on those as long as you prepare ahead of time. So do take advantage of what I provide there for you. Also, don't forget your inquisitive assignments for chapters 3, 4, and 5, the chapters in our Unit 2 there. Those are also going to be due by the time we take our exam Monday the 28th by 6:30, so get those done and submitted before you take your exam. Also on the 28th there, per our class schedule, and it's just because we only meet one night a week like this, we are going to have our quiz on our next chapter, which is on Chapter 6 on emotion. So do prepare for that a little bit later on as we get closer to class day there. I will post another announcement just detailing some of the content that we plan on covering, so you can just kind of be ready for that and discuss and whatever it might be. Also, per an earlier announcement you got there on Friday of this week, I did post an announcement on part 1 of your literature review paper, so do take a look at that. It came out on Friday the 18th. That is due on Monday, March 7th, so it's kind of coming up fairly soon here. Remember, and it says in the announcement here, and there is a complete set of instructions you'll find in the dedicated module for the APA style literature review paper. Remember, you'll find that underneath Unit 5 of our course material there, so keep scrolling down past Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Underneath it, you'll see the APA module. Definitely remember that you'll see a set for the instructions there for Part 1, and also a clearly dedicated area to submit your paper as well. Make sure that your topic is only on something in social psychology. I do provide a list of topics there, and you also have your textbook to look through as well to give you some idea of what you might want to write your paper about ultimately. Also, don't forget that you're going to turn in what's called a thesis statement along with your topic. This is all explained in the instructions, and it's all there in the announcement too. So you are going to tell me not just what topic you're going to cover, but how you're going to cover that topic. I give you some samples of that in the instructions there in the APA module, so take a look at that sample submission. And you are also going to include a list of 5 APA-style references, and these must be references from sources that are academic peer-reviewed research articles, so psychology websites, books, somebody's blog about something in psychology. Those are not academic peer-reviewed research articles. You know, the kind of articles we talk about in class when we talk about a research study was done, those are the kinds of things you need to be looking for. I tell you some instructions on how to find those in the announcement, and also in the instructions there's definitely a really nice link there to a separate file which shows you how to use a particular database to locate academic peer-reviewed articles. So take advantage of the resources I provided. Do take some time to read through the instructions there in that APA module, including at the very top there's a short little how-to video I put together there for you. You'll find right at the top of the instructions, and just watch that. It's about 10 minutes I think, and I just walk you through the instructions there on the Canvas course page and just tell you a lot of things that will really help you out to get your paper into the best shape possible. So definitely take advantage of the resources I provide. You know, just don't wait to the last minute to do it, otherwise you won't be able to use those resources as effectively. But give yourself some time, plan ahead, and you should do pretty well, because the first part of the paper Again, all you're going to turn in is your topic, your thesis statement describing how you're going to cover it, and then your list of 5 APA-style references. Okay, you're actually going to write the quote paper a little bit later on in the semester, and there's separate instructions for that you'll see in that APA module, but just look for component 1 or part 1 of your paper. That's what you need to focus on for right now. Otherwise, that's everything I wanted to say for right now. I will see you in a couple of weeks there when we get there to the 28th for our exam, and I will post an announcement again, just kind of giving you a heads up on things you might want to prepare for our next class meeting after we're done with our exam, because we are going to take our exam like we did the first time, and then just pick up with our next chapter, again, chapter 6. Phew. Okay, so that's all for now. I will see you then. If you got any questions in the meantime, please reach out via the email on Canvas. Otherwise, enjoy your week off, and I will see you in class on the 28th. Take care until then.